This is the accident sometimes happen, okay? Sometimes when our technician remove the flags, okay, and it broke off, the whole flags. So you all already know this flags is responsible for the home button, okay, the touch ID and the home button, okay. So if this flag is broken, you cannot press the button anymore. So this part is actually connecting to that, okay. So now in the market already have this kind of flags, to fix this kind of problem. Let's say if you accidentally broke it, you can directly fix this flags, okay. So these flags is to solve this kind of problem. You don't need to change the whole screen, okay. So now I'm going to replace it and let you see, okay. But first I'm going to cut this off, okay. Alright. I should put this first, okay. Okay, so now we are going to test the button, okay. Okay, so we're gonna test it. So the home button can be pressed, okay, and the fingerprint, okay, to see whether the fingerprint still work or not. See, fingerprint still work. So these flags, so this kind of flags can really save us a lot of cost, okay. If you are the iPhone technician, I think you should keep some stock for this one, okay. It is compatible with 7 and 7 Plus, 8 and 8 Plus, they are the same, okay. So the flags is compatible for 2 generations, okay. Let's say this is for iPhone 7, it also works in the iPhone 8. This is the iPhone 8, okay. 7 and 8 are the same, okay. 7 Plus and 8 Plus is the same. So you guys should keep some stock, okay. So this is the flags that I used just now, okay, and this is the longer flags that is for the Plus series, okay, 7 Plus or 8 Plus. And hope you guys didn't throw away the screen, okay. So see you guys, bye.